This video will show you how to create a vocabulary test using the new features of the Study version 6 software. When you launch a tutor, check you are using version 6 and then you should have the vocabulary test in the activity menu. If you click New, you can see the test creator appears and we can enter a name of a test. The example here will just be some Spanish GCSE food and drink. What we can then do is enter a Spanish word and then enter the English for that word. And we can carry on doing this either manually as shown here, and what you can see is if there's a word that may have 2 or 3 or 4 acceptable answers, separate it with a comma. Alternatively, you could take a list you already have and copy it and then go back into the test creation tool and simply right click and paste that. As you can see, they all appear in the list. You can then decide when you're going to give the test, if it's going to be a timed test for your students or whether there's going to be no time limit, and if you're going to randomly select say 3 or 4 or 10 from a long list. As you can see here, we save that. We can add some instructions for the students. As you can see, the capitals may not be essential, for example, and then we save that. We save, we give it a sensible name, and that test is now created and available to be used. As you can see here, saved and ready. When we open it, we can change the features of the timing and the manual, etc. And if we want to, we can add new things as we think of them in the lesson or outside the lesson.